Yeah, on my vlog. And you know, anytime I buy something or use something, I usually do an evaluation on it. And over the radio, I've been hearing this Shady Rays company. Guaranteed glasses, whether you lose or break them. And I've got glasses everywhere, and most of them are all scratched from working in the garage, dropping them or whatever. And most of those have been cheap. I've gone to Walmart and getting the work glasses that they got on the little racks there on the end of the aisles for $5. And those have worked out really, really well. It's just now I've got a bundle of them. And all of a sudden I hear on the radio the Shady Rays. Lifetime guarantee on these glasses. And pay one time. If you lose them or break them, they're going to replace them. Now I was going through these different groups, and they got, you name it, they got it. And what I want is the readers. I'm always needing to read something. My eyes are getting, I wouldn't say going, but I mean, I'm 61 years old, so I need reading glasses. And they've got these. So I was going down through the list of them, and they've got all kinds. You name it, they're in here. Starting at $49 and going up. They've got prescriptions in here. Let's see, they got blue light for when you're doing on your computer. Let's see, again, they got prescription shades right here. You send them your prescription. I think they're like $160 for a pair. And this is what I got looking at was the readers. And they've got, you name it, got blackouts. They got the black glazers. That's what I'm looking at right now. And of course, it all depends on what style of frame you want. So right now, and then go into your snow goggles for skiing and stuff like that. They've got those. Come on, my mouse is acting up. And let's see, blue light. They've got some here. What was the other group I was looking at? You go to men. You got kids and women's designs. Signature Series, Venture, Deep Sea, Velocity. Now, Velocity are a sport frame built for ultra light feel, slip grip. X Series, high rises, aviators, and terrain. These are safety glasses. And of course, you see the price, $84 for these, but they are ANSI 787 plus certified. So you can wear them in plants, working on cars. You can use them for anything. You can get it. Cut it out here. Oh, you're driving me nuts. What happened here? Oh, come on. Get me back. Come on, anytime. Okay, back in here again. These certifieds. I was going to hit them. Oh, okay. Never mind. Back. All right. So you can hit here, and you can get the different colors in them. These would be great for all-round stuff. You wouldn't want to use these for welding. They'd be all right for grinding, but you wouldn't want to use them for welding. And then, of course, you got clear, which in most, industrial environments, you're going to want clear anyway. I prefer yellow. Um, I bought some yellow ones, um, regular safety glasses in yellow, and I wore them to work. And my supervisor says, "No, you're not allowed to wear those in the plant." And I said, "Why? They're safety glasses." And they said because they're yellow, they can't see your eyes, and make sure you're not on anything. Like, give me a break. But anyway, those are the terrains. Those will do whatever you want. Let's see what. Go back in here for. I've already got my cart set up. I'm getting a pair of those terrains for 84, and then I'm getting a set of glazers, readers. And being in the military, you can get 30% off your first order. You got to buy two. Then I gotta let you. They might give you. I think they give you 25% off on your. Well, you got to buy pairs to get your 25% off. But let's see if I can find warranty. I'm gonna go back. Go back to the laser real quick. All right. There you go. There's the fine print on warranty. It'll open up. Free, lost, or broken replacement. They make a long story short. You got to pay $9 for shipping. That's it. So, and again, lifetime quality. You're gonna, come on, get in there. What's it gonna show me? Lifetime workmanship and free replacement of lost or stolen. Just pay the processing fee. So it's the same thing. Includes fiber, cleansing pouch vinyl. You can get a hard case if you want them. These are durable with metal hinges. Cool. And it's our signature wrap. Bifocal reading lenses. I've got them at 1.5 strength. But it's got, out of 11, it got all 5, definitely 5 stars with this company. They just came out with it. So let's see. We'll go back to my cart, one of each, and we'll let you know how these work out. Subtotal 232 without any without a credit. $8 for a hard case. I'm not interested in a hard case. So I'm going to checkout. And if you're military, you can get a 30% off of it. They'll give you a code, and it's good for 30 days. Every 30 days, you can use this code to buy a new one. So as you can see, I went from 134 down to 115. So you're saving 15, about $6 off each pair of glasses. And the warranty also says that you can get two replacement pair. So it's all going to depend on how you are, but I haven't lost really any glasses. It's just they scratch, and then once they're scratched, they're done. So I'm curious to find out how these work out. But 3 pairs probably last you about a year a pair. So and it's lifetime. So until you either the glasses fall apart or break or whatever, you can get 3 pairs. So if they last you 2 years, get another pair, last you 2 years, and you can probably go 10 years. So you definitely can't wipe out on that one. So yeah, the terrains drop down to 15. They went from 84, so that second pair, that $25, dropped it down to 58 from 84. So that's where you got your And then if you got, they said if you got another pair, well, 4 pair, it'll come off of that original one. I'm just thinking about strength, but I may buy another pair down the road. I wish they had reading glasses, but they don't. They just have those blue, the blue glare in that. So I am going to, it's free shipping, and we're going to go ahead and let's see, take one. Yep, all right. I'm calculating taxes. All right. So $8. You pay $8 in taxes. So, all right. Let's go ahead and get these ordered. Okay, with that, I just want PayPal. Sounds like they ordered. So, with that said, thank you. Your order is confirmed. We'll go in. And it looks like give 15, get 15. So, or in this video, there'll be a link down in the bottom. You can try them out for yourself. See what you think. Appreciate it. Awesome. All right, so thanks for watching. Check these out. I'll put the link down below and check them out. Comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we will catch you on this Dana Crosby's vlogs.